Alright guys, welcome back again. Another stream. Yeah, so today is Thursday, and looking at the markets, there's not really a lot going on today, I'll be real. But I will say that today is like a very choppy day. As you can see, like this is all just chop, every bit of it. So if you look at Thursday's kind of day right here, here it's literally just been chopped, I'll be real. So yeah, this is like the whole Thursday day, and we've just had chop. If you look at it on the line chart, it's been nothing but chop. This was nice, low resistance, it looked really nice here, but you can see this day was just chop, except for this, so yeah, mainly just chop. But if you look here in it, below, we got in the 1 minute, anyways, we got sell side here, smooth lows here, and a big trend line here. Thing is, we've also got this data high with, well, I could say a trend line here as well, ish. Just a lot of wicks in that area as well. Now this is daily suspension block we've hit. This is the reclaimed daily suspension block, I think. No, sorry, it's the same daily suspension block, but it's this daily suspension block from February. This is what started the downtrend initially, and this is what NQ was constantly in, and then eventually went lower. But it's back inside of that now. Came back into it. But ideally, I think all of this is fake in terms of going lower for now, and I think above data high we should see probably some really good sells, because if they're thinking it right now, they've faked it so many times here. Boom, faked it here. They're faked it here, and likely gonna fake it here. I think above data high, if it does give sells, there would be really strong sells up there. Like, you should see it really come lower to this sell side here. And Asia low is my draw today, I'll be real. But yeah, Asia low, and then this would be a buying area for me. This daily inversion right here, I've got a daily. That's the inversion. Another thing is within the, let me just quickly mark this out properly. Alright, sorry. So within the daily, I do like this day as well. I think if we do come lower to Asia low, it will be set up for a daily busy kind of day. So as soon as it touches that low, I want to see a really strong bullish expansion above. And not only because it looks like a daily busy could form, but if you look on the 15 minute right here, this move lower, which is a bull flag, pretty much. It's not the best looking kind of bull flag either, but and it's not the best looking sell program either. But if you just look here, you got lots of trend line, pretty much a lot of trend line, like a good amount right here, even there. So like there's a lot of trend line being accumulated there. So ideally I would want to see it rob all of that, take all of that. And we also got these equal highs here as well. If you look here, this is relatively equal, so did it take that high out? So swing high, this is the swing high, and did the same here, did the same here. It's relatively equal highs. These really smooth highs to me, and even this right here is very smooth. So I think we will come there again as well. Very ideal, that is. But yeah, other than that, let's just see what happens. I guess I will mark this out as well. Why not? I don't know. We'll see. Because sometimes when it's close to previous daily high, they might use this area here just to accelerate it higher. The daily CU wick, guys. I want to see how it treats that area once it becomes higher. And if we can create support here, then I look for a move higher from here for about 100 points or so. That would be think, no, 2 point, yeah, 100 points. Alright, and coming to these highs here, which it did take, no worries. Okay, then 210, let's see what it can give us on this one. You can see, even if you caught the buys here, it would have been really shit. And if you caught the sellers here, it would have also been really shit. So this PA is really shit, basically, that's all I'm saying. Funny thing is this is the PA I was expecting for FOMC to happen yesterday. It just didn't. Got a much more cleaner day yesterday, but yeah. It's what it is. That's why I don't mind trading on the FOMC minutes anymore, because I realise that there's a lot of times where nowadays it'll actually be quite good. But not only that, just because thingy, it doesn't really affect the it doesn't affect it as much as you think it does. In the 12 PM as in 7 AM New York session or the London session it does, but when it comes to equity open you always see adhere swing, and then you always see an opposing end of that. You get it, and it's always like that. Like 90% of the time you get that, especially when you have big opening range gaps as well. Yeah, pretty much. This looks good, but I just don't like the data high up there, that's all. So I'm not taking this, to be honest. I want to see what happens in the opening price. Then that's going to do that. And I don't think I'll take this sell anyways. Look at this shit up here. Not only data high, look at this. What the fuck is that? Look at that shit. I mean, it is one-sided, so I guess you can allow for that, but ew, this PA is shit, man. I'll be wrong. No way. No way am I trading this PA. Good day, mate. Just too much chop. Yeah, look at that. I don't know, I feel like this will just expand really hard to this data high. Like super duper hard. Even though this trend line here will be accumulated. Either that or we'll get a nice spike lower and then back here, and then we should see a move lower at least. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, SPAs are no easy as fuck. Is there any real reason it's doing this? I mean, tomorrow is CPI, I guess, that would make sense. That's tomorrow, not today, man. So come on. Like, yeah, there it is, that shit EPA was all about. Bitcoin, see how that's been acting lately. Oh, it's actually reacted this area again. Well, I was actually expecting Bitcoin to dump around here, wasn't it? But it pumped instead. Yeah, look at that trend line, the sell side and everything I left there, but no. And silver, not bad. Gold, or whatever. Silver actually kind of crashed this day. Oh, they're not going to leave those highs, I don't know, though, to be honest. We left this trend line here in silver as well. I don't know why that keeps happening. But yeah. Look at my quarterly analysis. Yeah, we're actually approaching quite soon now. I think it's literally next week we will see a quarterly shift. Yeah, the quarterly shift next week might be to this high, who knows. Look at this ray, anyways, look at it. Oh shit, wait, no, yeah, it's next week, yeah. No, sorry, it's next week, Thursday. Should see like a quarterly shift. The way I see it right now is we've got we got a, this would be all of it, the first is T. So ideally if we can get a retracement to 50% of this range, we should see if the thing is up as higher prices or not. Looks kind of clean though upwards, yeah. So yeah, I like these right here a lot. I don't want it to take it yet. I want to save that. Take this day a high first and go for those. Yes, it's looking garbage as fuck. Dow is looking ugly. You can see, look, he used it there. No, sorry, not there. He used it here in the constant encouragement, but then used it again right there, that big move lower. So I don't think I'll come back to it, but I'll just mark it out anyways. Why not? You can see the daily C wick comes in between that as well. So it's like a strong level. It would be. This pH garbage, man. Really raw, just comes lower now. Let's stick to one. Let me borrow that. I don't think I need to do all that work. Just borrow it. Oh no, the same level there. this high here looks really ugly. Should take that one out first and this one next. Still a lot of buy side here. Yes. Yeah, this is a bull flag, but it's the data high as well. That's why. So nope, I'm not taking this. Too much buy side here. Way too much. This is definitely better to wait for the equity open, because they will literally do a Judas, even if it doesn't move now. Like, I don't think it's going to be the real move. So we'll see, I guess, on this one, but yeah. Like, that would have been another, like, say he sold it there. I don't even know if there's any alignment anyways to sell that. Check. Yeah, there was like some, no, that's not alignment, but say he did sell it. Like, well, not sold it, but say he did. We gotta stop there, let's see what happens. Alright, let's see what happens, eh? 0.5R. Like, it's just shit, man. I already know this is gonna, like, not go well. Go on. Prove me right or wrong or whatever. Jeez, dude. I think so, just pump or something. Yep, it did. Oh no, it was already like that. Yeah, definitely this high, because it's not hourly high as well. Just making sure of that. You can see as well, there's no BCs within this range. There is one here in it, but like afterwards, like it just it doesn't look amazing. It's PA. Kind of inside candle there, I guess, but I don't know. And 3 minutes all.
failing. You're afraid of your fucking spouse or your coworkers or your family members, your friends to say, yeah, I told you it wasn't going to work. It's all a pipe dream. And some of you, deep down inside, listen, folks, listen. It's going to get so hard that you're going to actually create the environment for that to happen. So that way it's ending all the pain. That short little momentary embarrassment around your family and friends, your coworkers. Yeah, I lost my fucking money. You're right. It's fucking bullshit. Nobody's making money. It's all fucking fraud. It's a scam. It's all horseshit. Because you don't want to endure. Because it's hard wrestling with that feeling of, what would they think of me if I fail? Fuck that. Why are you even entertaining that shit? Listen, failure is a fucking choice. That's not a guarantee. Failure is a fucking choice. Setbacks, speed bumps, adversities, that's all part of this, like anything else. Anything worth doing is going to be fucking hard. It's going to cost money. It's going to cost time. It's going to cause you to have to put more effort into this than you've ever think anything you've ever done. Weak people don't survive in this industry. Unorganized, undisciplined, irresponsible motherfuckers do not stay in this business. You have to be an adult that is an independent thinker that understands there's real risk in this shit. You could lose your ass. And when you have this skill set, you're going to feel exactly what I feel. And some of you that are weaker and younger, you're going to do the same shit I did when I was 20-some years old. I was the biggest dick, the biggest prick there ever was. And you can hear it sometimes. It's still in me. That young man still likes to raise his head up once in a while.
We'll see how they bring it to these lows in a bit. The bodies above it. Bodies are right above that shit. Checking any news. Gotta keep checking this now because of bloody Trump, man. That motherfucker has just been spamming his tweets making the markets go crazy. Alright, they got a stay high taken. They took it right before the bell. Shit is not random, bro. They did that right before the bell. Alright, cool. Now we could probably look for some sells if given. Because it's technically still in that daily suspension block as well. Unless if it's given though in this case. I don't think it will be. Because we are 2 minutes before the bell, we just need to make some sort of ST inversion. Where the fuck? Where am I? I mean, ideally here would be a minor. Yeah, definitely doing the 1 minute as well. this to be inverted. The fuck? Okay. And there, the horizon of the daily suspension block, lower quadrant, and the suspension block, that is. No, we're not actually. We just missed that. The horizon of it. Right, I'm not going to include a better horizon. That's more ICT's piece of shit thing. Like targets and stuff. Decent. Shit, somebody's knocking the door. Check the opening range gap as well. Tiny opening range gap. No wonder there was chop. No wonder there was chop, man. That's the tiniest opening range gap I've seen. I mean, no, sorry, it's not that tiny, but it is really small compared to the other ones that we've been making. We've already hit the consequent encouragement of the opening range gap, isn't that crazy? Okay, I'm gonna look for potentially version here. Alright, that's not inversion yet. But if we are making something, yeah, I'll be wrong. In terms of trend lines, I could predict it. Given 30-second or 1 minute alignment though, so I'm not interested. Yeah, 1 minute alignment is for bullish prices, fuck that. Yeah, there's no 2 minute alignment there either. Of course, Dow made a massive gap. I think he made a tiny one, and ES made a decent one, I guess. ES has ES hit that gap? No, ES has not hit the constant encouragement of that gap yet. Might get 1 minute alignment, yeah. Potentially. Do have a trend line right below as well. I want to see us like approach that trend line. If we do, I'm gonna go in there.
Order filled.
Alright, one more.
Order filled.
Go. About 360. It's like literally all the way down there. That's crazy. Because the stop's quite big on that. My 180's here. Yep. there. Did invert that. Good anticipation there. 1 minute anticipation. 2 minute, 3 minute anticipation actually, but 2 minute definitely needs to be anticipated as well. Check this area here really quickly because this is smooth to me. I want to see what's under that, if there is anything. Hopefully nothing much, I guess. Okay, so busy this. I think ideally break even around here or there. So we'll see. Okay, there's no second sister yet. No worries. Let's give it a try. There's a balanced price range right there. That's nice. I like that. Okay, let's get rid of that now. Okay, ideal to go break even at that 1 hour area. Right, so we hit the sell side there. Which is also midnight open, minus sell side right below it though, and premium as well right below that. First presented, hopefully being made now. And that trend line's below it as well, beautiful. Okay, so we hit discount, we're not discount, we just hit discount. So minus sell side literally right below as well, still. Just like right here. No first presented yet. Right, back in that 30-second inversion. There we close right here. Want to see how we come lower from here. Can make equal lows here, eventually making a trend line towards these equal lows be ideal. Got some equal lows there, I guess. Yeah, we got some here now. I'm gonna see how we come now lower. Yeah. Ideal to make that second 60, yeah, so we can try and stop. Busy below the trend line, beautiful. First presented, made as a busy. Guess we want to see how it reacts here, I guess, when it comes back to it, because of the There's somewhat trend line there. You're touching that trend line. And even more. Just 1 minute. How we forget that second D in the internal. Let's see how that aligns with the trend line below. Like right here. If it does, then I can scale in, try to stop. Okay, now I want to see if we can align this here. Yeah, we equal lows right here, I guess. So I'm looking at that internal SSD there. We do have a small trend line at the moment. Right there. Okay. Let's see how we react here. So, need a close below that. Lack of CB, so I'm likely just going to wait for the break-even point. We do have that trend line aligning now. Yeah, lack of CBs in the 15-second as well. Depending on speed, around 1 hour might close, we'll see. Depending on speed. Geez, look like switching to bullishness, maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Counts me encouragement. Yeah, last line of defense, I guess. We did catch some of that Judas swing, I guess. No worries, I guess it's being yep, there it is. Cool. When I did hit an M and Q, but I hit an Q. Should hit an M and Q.
Order filled.
Save it there. Because I M and Q did hit. Sorry, N Q did it. Keep that high out now. Still got this below, I think we'll still get it. Because look at that. Weird shit. Don't have any news later at 3 PM per se. it's looking pretty bullish, I guess. That's a bit weird. Let me try to pull it. Yeah, them in Q right now is a bit, for some reason, that high. Sorry, this high is higher on a in Q than the normal one. I don't know why that is. There's no line up, so I'm not really gonna look for this cell. Still no line up. It's ideal to wait for OTE on this because there's no line up. So it probably will take this trend line, I'll be wrong, I don't mind it. I think I would have preferred an internal SSD or something, just like that. Might get it now though, hopefully. This would be alignment here, I guess, but after that I'd wait for the 50% retracement I've given. It's not like gonna give it, is it? Okay, there's 1 minute there now, which would be ideal. You have equal lows right here. Trend line there as well. $250 coming in. Sibi here and 250.
Order filled.
Trend line had to get mashed up.
Order filled.
Got equal lows there as well. Okay, that's the 1 minute alignment there. Beautiful. Ideal to see 3 minute alignment down here. That would make it really strong. Okay, disrespecting the first presented. It's nice. $160 is literally at 3 minute alignment, so ideal to go break even there. We got literal lows there as well. Okay, that area. Yeah, here on NQ. Pretty sure. Yeah, here on NQ, so I'm gonna go break even there. Okay, let's let this run. Put 320 on that. Okay, here finally on M and Q. Okay, I see a second 60 on the 1 minute, but to be honest, the higher time frames don't have that, so I'd rather just hold this as a runner and just wait till 320 hits. Sorry, till 2499, hits, sorry. Okay, now I'm messed up right there. I like how we disrespected the first presented FEG, using it as an inversion now, which is ideal. Okay, let's see these lows get hit now. Yeah, it's decent, I guess. Like lows there as well. Mm-hmm. 160, 160. Alright, finally hit those equal lows. I got TP's equal lows, bro. Come on. I didn't even know it was there. If this was a 1 minute second 60, I would have taken that as an optimal trade entry, but it's not. All good though. So this news does as well. Okay, minus sell side still has not been taken. Right below as well. Seem to be getting a balanced price range in the 1 minute. Get that close, I'd be mad. Approaching that trend line from earlier, the high time frame, 15-minute one as well, should be ideal. Yeah, NQ is definitely the more bearish pair today. Right, minus sell side, almost hit. We just hit it, and there you go. Made a balanced price range above it as well. Amazing. Busy right below it there. If only that was a suspension block. The 1 minute. They hit the BPR wick within the volume imbalance. I guess it's good enough, but yeah. Approaching that trend line now. The 15-minute. Yeah, that shit looking too equal. Come on. I know they order block, that should have held. You want a breaker now? So do breaker stuff, please. And see on the 1 minute if this can make a third systy. Got somewhat trend line there internally. It's kind of just being made, I guess. I don't know though. Breaker. Right. I would have preferred it to come into Sibi, so I'd rather just let this run. Ooh. There it goes, gone. About 1 minute left now for that yellow news folder to come out, if it does anything. Some bullshit wholesale inventories, I don't know what that is. It doesn't do anything usually anyways. Minute right here as well. past 3 p.m. news. See if it really does anything. It doesn't really do anything anyways because the snooze is yellow, but if it does, that'd be ideal. If they use it for, just move this a bit, that'd be ideal as well. This is south side, this slow. Okay, 3 minute looking nice, really nice. Just want to see it kind of go past that wick. Approaching that trend line now, finally, is good. The handles, sorry, 50 handles out. There's about 200 points. Lows there now as well. Do you all see this immediate rebalance right there? Immediate rebalance. One minute sell program, I guess. 1 minute equal lows as well. Okay, first presented it again, got trend line forming there again as well. 20%. Displacement range. Closing below it, please. I like the opening on the 3 minute, really nice. Okay, close please. There's no trying to stop there, to be honest, because what I'll do is I'm gonna wait for the opening price on here to get hit first. I'll try to stop there. So I can assist the anticipation then. Three years, definitely. Check the 1 minute as well. Yeah, we've hit that area. I'm gonna go put my stop above the high. Let's do this way so I can see steep there. Should really just go for those equal lows, please. Really equal lows there. Check for 30 second, made some sort. Yeah, I'd only take this uptrend trade entry if you get a displacement lower, like a big displacement. We did invert this now. Right there, the balanced price range of these wicks. So I only want to see wicks here, that's it. Should be ideal. Delete that. This definitely should just sell off. And this is the only kind of thing I really should be doing now, is selling off. Three minute looks good, bro. Come on, 3 minute. 3 minute looks like the 1 minute time frame today. It really does, and the 1 minute looks like the 3 minute. Why is that? Why is that, man? Okay, nice LR. I need displacement if I want to scale in. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, I like that. Should be approaching that trend line now. We are. That trend line is like a bloody magnet. Oh God, we really just took that and just wicked. Wicks. these wicks, man. I will wick you the fuck out. Wick, 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 wick. Bro, this data is lagged. I'll be right on top step, it's lagged. Compared to NQ on... I don't know if it's the micros or it's the thingy. Bit lagged though, I'll be rolling. Shit. No, 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 no. Don't do that. There was a 1 Sibby in that range, I guess. Because I like the 3-minute a lot today. If we get 3-minute 60 here, I'm gonna put my stop above that high. Just need to wait and see if we get it, yeah? Because 3-minute is really nice today. When is the next 3-minute candle? About 1 minute as well. It's the opening on 3 minutes, so yep. The opening for the 2-minute there. Jeez, 3 minutes sexy as fuck. Nice 3-minute opening on there. Bro, why does it keep fucking doing that? It just comes low and then wicks. Piece of shit. This is high resistance, so I'm gonna just follow. So I got my high resistance rule is max 1.5R anyways, so check anyways, pretty sure it is. Okay, wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna lock in 240 there, if it can give me that. And then what 320 is.
Order filled.
Okay. That's calm. Yeah, that's calm. There's loss recovered and a bit of a win. Beautiful. Bro, that was painful to hold, but shit, that actually hit. Nicely done. Initial loss we could have profited on as well, but this PA was garbage. I think I'm gonna close it here just because the PA right now for the whole day has been shit. We did get the expansion I wanted actually, I'll be real, but yeah. Mainly, yeah, pretty much. And it should be, yeah, of course now it's going to start expanding crazy, isn't it? That's crazy. Bro, this data is lagged a bit. On NQ it went way lower than that, and then MNQ did it. That's bullshit. That means this might be lagged here, who knows, I don't know. But pretty decent, I'll be real. So yeah, I'll probably call it there. Right, we'll see later if there's something, anything at 350, because 350 usually gives quite a good move, or if they really dump it lower and bring it below Asia low, and I can see a gap buy there, that'd be ideal. But other than that, let's keep it at that for now. Until next time, be safe.